Hello everybody, Eric back here. Got a late September garden update. These are the tomatoes picked today. Harvest, these are pretty good sized tomatoes. About 15 or 18 pounds probably there. Got the jalapenos, started picking those. But I mean, you can see I'm not even getting really started yet. These are super productive jalapeno plants, and you know, nightshades are the kings of fall for me. Peppers, and I've got fall tomatoes planted too, another place in another bed, but these peppers, I mean, amazingly productive. These are going to be probably pickled peppers or whatever. Got some sweet bananas down here, and these are either cayenne or Dayar ball. They're both similar. I think these are Dayar ball peppers. They self-seed a lot. I planted these, my cedar, with the Dayar balls and the cayennes kind of interchangeable. They're real similar. There's a cayenne there. Anyway, the soil here, I know there's a lot of weeds, people would say. I don't really believe in weeds. All these plants, these grasses, even the ragweed over here, they're shading the soil, their root systems are working the soil. They support the soil food web, the soil life. I don't till, never till. Protect the toads, the lizard eggs. I never disturb the soil any more than I have to plant a seed or to plant a plant. Mulch very heavily. The garden, this was just, I mean, this mulch is amazing. The leaf mold down there, and that may look dry, but these plants are fine. It's not dry down there where their roots are. All this mulch is shading the ground, keeping the moisture in. And I wanted to show you the important things in the fall is pollinator plants. This is Mexican sunflower, Tithonia. This self-seeds here now. This can get 8, 9, 10 feet tall and wide in a summer. Beautiful. Very important for the hummingbirds. And this is Salvia coccinea. Self-seeds here now also. Just beautiful, beautiful tube flowers. And these are very important for the hummingbirds and very important for the monarchs and other butterflies in the fall. And there's some lemon basil. Oh, it smells really good. There's a grapevine that came up in my tomato cages in the summer. I'm gonna have to get out of there. Anyway, you know, it's a late September. We're getting ready to gonna have a frost here in a few weeks. So a lot of stuff is done for the year, but the nightshades keep going. Really love the peppers. Anyway, there's not much going on in the garden. All this will go back into the soil this winter and replenish the soil. Next year we'll start all over. Thank you very much for watching.